All right. So as I was saying, that the process of building a Konga or replicating that Konga landing page or Jumia landing page is very, very simple. Please, all of you should mute your mic so that you listen to me. It's very, very simple. It's not hard. Now, this is it. I've shown you the basics of everything, the whole secret of building a website. Remember, I said that if you want to keep things in sections like this, you have to create a row, then define the size of each of the section, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
yes,
this guy is 333, and they are sitting side by side like this, right? Right?
Yeah.
Now
yes.
let's visit Konga site so that we'll understand. Konga.com. This is the secret. If I show you this stuff now, you build Konga site. It's taking time to load. I think my network is not very good. It's coming up. So can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now watch. This is our normal, this is our normal header, right? This is our normal header. Remember the nav we copied has this search in it, right? So you can just use that normal one that has this search. Then I'm not asking you to do this drop down menu. Don't worry, don't do this drop down menu like this. Do the normal one I showed you guys. The one that you have to click it before it drops down.
Let it just show like this.
Let it just not like, let it just show like the one in that video.
Yes, I understand. Without the drop down.
The normal one I taught you guys, just use that one. Now, come over here. You see, this place is how many?
8.
And this place is how many?
The whole place is 4, but the images are divided into 2.
Now, inside this 4, they created another row.
Yes, that house the first two.
They created another row that now has 6. Who is this person disturbing us now? I'll kick this person out too. Esther, you're disturbing us. I'll kick you out the way I kick this out.
How? I'm just here.
Why is we are getting noise from your end?
I mean, she logged in with 2 devices.
And boss, I noticed there's also a slide that image is sliding.
Yeah. I'll give you a video. That's why I said I'll give you a video. Now, you use that video to learn how to do carousels. Now, inside this 4, they created another div with a row. And inside that div with a row, they now created 6 inside 4. You understand? Who doesn't understand what I'm explaining?
I understand. Okay, in this 4,
in this 4 now, they created another row inside the 4, and now created another 6 inside that row. That's why you have this 1, 2, 1, 2. You understand?
Okay, so they did 2 more divs, Abby, or 4.
Boss, let me get you clear.
This thing is 8 and 4.
Yes, boss.
Now, inside this div, this 4, they now created another row. Then inside that row, they now created 6. That's this first 2, 6. They now created another row again and 6, which all those rows are inside.
Okay, now I understand. Now I understand you. Yes, the 6 is because in Bootstrap it sees the whole length as 12.
Yes.
So you have to split it.
Yeah, so inside another that inside that, who is this person?
Boss.
So inside this 4, they now created that row and created another 6, 6, because inside every row it sees it as 12. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, this guy is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is what?
That's 2, 2.
2, 2, 2. Simple. You're getting it now, right?
I get the point.
This guy now is 1, 2, 3, which is what?
4.
Now, inside this 4, they now did 2, 10 or 3, 9. Are you seeing it? This image is inside 2 or 3, and this one is inside 9 or 10. Same thing here. Same thing here. Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
As simple as that. This one occupies, this other one occupies 12. This whole guy is on 12. Then this is where your creativity starts. This one now, you don't do the hover for me, don't worry. Don't stress yourself doing the hover, but if you want to do extra research, you can do research on the hover. Just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can make your own to be 4 if you can't get 5, because there's no how you can divide Bootstrap to give you 5. So you can make it 6 or 4. Or you can go the extra length of doing, I can make it 5.
Does it accept decimals?
It doesn't accept decimal. That's why I say you can't make it 5. So you can make yours 6 or 4, but 6 will be better. So this is where you start contacting people like Emeka, the guy that did all those guys in that group that have, most of those people there that are showing you those stuff, they are people I've trained. They are most of my students, my trainees, and they are now doing well. So you can contact them, because I won't really have the time to start answering your questions. But I believe with what I've taught you, you know everything on how this guy now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 2, 2, 2. And you're good. This is this part. Here now is Jumbotron, but you can style this Jumbotron and give it a white color, or you can use card too, and you still get that same guy. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is divided into 6. 6 here and 6 here, or 6, 2, 4. The 2 here is empty. There's nothing inside the 2, and inside the 4, they now put this guy. So you think maybe there's nothing here. This is 2. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So with this, your design Konga site. So I'll give you a video that will teach you how to do carousel and use it to build the website too. So once I share that video, I'll be expecting my assignment by next weekend. So you have the whole time for yourself. Thank you very much. Any question? Hello. Let me show you what I was explaining. See, let's say we have something like this. We have a div of class container. Can you see this? Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Now we now have another div of class row. And we now have another div of class cool MD8. And let's say here contains, let's say here contains the slider, right? Then you now do another div here that is cool class col MD4, right?
Yeah.
Now inside this div col MD4, you now created another div called class row. And inside this row, this row now is 12. So you now say div class col MD6. Now this one will be this first two, 1, 2. You understand?
Yeah.
Then you now copy this row again and paste it here. That's the second two. Or if you don't want to do it this way, you can still cut this guy, put it still inside here. So once this first 6, this second 6, it breaks to the next line, get the first 6 and the second 6 again, it will still work this way. Anyhow you want to do it, or you can still do it the other way around and do it this way.
It's better to be able to
you understand it. So you can still do it this way. So it will now be row 6, 6, row 6, 6 inside this 4. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
So it's simple. This is what I wanted to show you. With this, you can design any site. Inside this 6, if you still want to create another one, you can still say div. You can still say div class row. And once you give it row, it assumes another 12. You can still break it down again to the little, you understand?
Yeah.
So for this other one, let me show you what they did here. For this other one, this is 1, 2, 3.
This slider.
I will give you a video that will teach you how to make a slider.
Okay.
For this other one, you have 1, 2, 3. Now, let me show you what they did there. That is, you have D plus col MD4, which makes up 3. Are you seeing this guy now?
Yeah.
Inside each of these 4 now, they now created a div, the class of row. There are many ways to achieve this. I might not even achieve it with this stuff I'm showing you. A class of row. Now inside here now, they now did another div and say the first one, class, should be, let's say, what do they call it? Let's say it should be class col MD2 or 3. Then this one should now be col MD10. So inside this one, this is where they now put their image. And inside this one, this is where they now put their write-ups. That is what we have here. Inside here now, inside this place, they put this image, and inside here they put their write-up. There are so many ways to achieve it, but I'm just showing you the basics of how to break it down. You understand? Yeah, so that's it. I think that's the end of the class.
How do you write the miniature writings there?
Which miniature writing?
The little writings, the two very small ones.
These small writings?
Yes, these small ones.
Use font size now. I've showed you font size. If you go, didn't I show you, who is this person talking? Weren't you part of this class from the beginning?
It's Leo that is talking. I wasn't part of the class where he did the font size.
You watch the videos, they are all online. Use font size, give it a font size. Font size of, reduce it to like as low as 6px to be small. So font size will fix that.
Okay.
All right. So have a wonderful night first. Good night.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.